In 2024, we bragged about how busy we were. In 2040, we brag about how well we've rested. Mental wealth is the new status symbol. We've killed the cult of the hustle. In the golden age, your most productive hour is the one you spend in complete silence. The 4-day week isn't a perk anymore. It's a law of efficiency. AI handles the mental chewing gum, leaving you with the deep, creative work that actually matters. We work less to think better. We've traded the exhaustion of the past for the clarity of the future, where every mind has room to breathe. The most expensive thing you can own in 2040 is your own attention. Companies now invest in your luxury of silence because that's where the breakthroughs happen. Focus is the new gold. We've built an economy that protects your peace instead of harvesting your stress. Scenario A is about reclaiming our time. It's a world where technology serves our well-being, not our anxiety. You are finally free to be present. This is the ultimate profit of progress. It's not about more gadgets, it's about more life. It's time to enjoy the world we've built. Stay calm, stay present. Next time, we'll wrap up the golden age with a final look at our choice. I'll see you then. Subscribe to thrive in the golden age.